welcome to Crochet Critters. If you enjoy my videos and enjoy learning how to crochet, don't forget to subscribe. Today we'll be learning how to do an increase and an invisible decrease. I prefer the invisible decrease when doing amigurumi because it's much harder to see the decreases in your work and it looks much neater, I think, than a normal decrease. So we'll start off by doing an increase, just so you can see what that looks like, and basically it's just 2 single crochets into 1 stitch. So we've got this first stitch here, so we'll do 1 single crochet, and then you go back into the same hole and do a second one, and it's as easy as that. So I'll do that again. For an increase, you've got this one here, we'll go in here, 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochets. And now to do the invisible decrease, I'm just going to move around my circle a little bit, just to give myself a bit of wiggle room. And so to do the invisible decrease, instead of working through both loops, we're just going to work through this front loop. So I just like to hook it over like that, so I just find it easier for me. And then I grab the one next to it, so I've got the first one, and I grab the front loop of the stitch next to it, and so I've got 2 on my hook there. Yarn over, and then you'll pull through both of those front loops like that, and then pull it. Easy as that. And I can show you again. So do just this front loop here, hook through, and then front loop of the one next to it, just there, and then yarn over, pull through both of those, then yarn over and pull through. And it just makes it nice and neat, and you can barely see that you've even done anything. And that's how I do a decrease, and that's how I do an increase. And I hope you found that helpful. Thank you.